Hello there and welcome to the weather forecast with our new look weather graphics. And in general, the weather in over Ireland has turned much cooler and more unsettled than last week, and it's going to continue quite cool and unsettled as we go through the rest of this week. And indeed, at the moment there's heavy rain moving into western counties, and for the rest of this evening and overnight until 7 a.m. in the morning we have a yellow level rainfall warning in operation for counties Kerry, Limerick, Clare and Galway. Some heavy downpours, some thunderstorms possible there as well. Now we can see on the satellite sequence where that rain is coming from, you can see the cloud here circulating around this area of low pressure, which is now bringing us the unsettled weather. This first weather system moving across the country overnight, making for a wet start to Tuesday, but it will gradually clear to the east with brighter weather following. And then on Wednesday a dry start, but then the next system will push up from the southwest, bringing rain up over us, and that rain will tend to linger in many places on Thursday. Eventually it will clear and we'll see some brighter weather with showers for a time on Friday, but then more areas of rain or showers pushing in as low pressure continues to dominate. So overall, unsettled mixed weather for the rest of the week. And on the radar sequence, we can see the first of that persistent heavier rain moving into western counties at the moment. It's going to continue through the rest of this evening and then make its way across the country overnight, becoming heavy enough in places as it does so. The temperatures will fall to between about 12 and 15 degrees. And then as we look to tomorrow, a wet start in many areas with further rain, but it will eventually clear to the east with some scattered showers following then during the afternoon, and eventually later on in the day becoming mainly dry with some sunshine. Now, taking a closer look at that situation for tomorrow, around the provinces, we can see a wet morning in store for Ulster with some scattered showers then by the early afternoon and becoming drier later on. A similar picture for Leinster, quite wet through the morning, spells of rain moving across the province, clearing then with some showers and drier later. And indeed for Munster, quite a wet morning there as well. Rain at first and then some cloud tending to linger in the southwest even well on into the day. Connacht will tend to brighten up a little bit quicker as the rain gradually clears eastwards, and the temperatures tomorrow, they'll range between about 16 and 20 degrees. Looking beyond that then, for Wednesday, a fair amount of dry weather, but we will see more rain pushing up from the southwest, and that rain will tend to linger in many places then on Thursday. And overall, the weather staying fairly unsettled as we go through the rest of the week. And that's the forecast. Good night.